Friends, this is the last video in the series about voice. Now, let's examine this sentence. The verb in this sentence has taken two objects, direct object and indirect object. In this sentence, my dad is the subject, gave the verb me, an indirect object, a diary, a direct object. Here we have to remember one point. An indirect object is generally a living being which receives a direct object. A direct object is a non-living being or thing. While changing this kind of sentences into the passive, we can use either direct object or indirect object as the subject in the passive voice. Now let's see it in the example. The first sentence in the passive voice is I was given a diary by my dad. The indirect object is made the subject in the passive. Usually we opt indirect object as the subject in the passive. In the second example, the direct object is written as the subject in the passive voice. The sentence reads thus: a diary was given to me by my dad. Usage of to is optional here. Now let's take some interrogative sentences for conversion. The first example: what are you doing? It is in the active voice. The passive voice: what is being done by you? Another example: active voice: when had he made it? The answer in the passive voice: when had it been made by him? One more example: active voice: will she write the letter? Passive voice: will the letter be written by her? Now let's move to imperative sentences. Imperatives are orders, requests and entreaties. Wishes, advice, suggestions also come under this section. Now the examples. Active voice: open the book. In the passive voice it becomes let the book be opened. Next one. Active voice: let him trust her. Passive voice: let her be trusted by him. One more example: don't punish the weak. That is in the active voice. The answer in the passive: let not the weak be punished, or let the weak not be punished. Here goes another example. Please tell me a story. It is a request, so it should be written like this: you are requested to tell me a story. Here comes up a piece of advice: wake up early. That is active voice. The sentence in the passive: you are advised to wake up early. Another one: go away. This is an order. In the passive voice it is you are ordered to go away. Like this we can change sentences.